Hey there, Steve Gardner at you. Right out in front of Rolling Hills, one of my favorite subdivisions in Port Orange. This subdivision is really, really nice. It's just south of Taylor Road, right in the Spruce Creek High School District. It's got a beautiful fountain entrance, as you can see right here. Two entrances, and it's not a small neighborhood, and it's got some large homes in it. Pool homes, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom with outdoor kitchens for the pool area, with pool areas, large lots, half acre, acre lots. So we're going to take a tour. So this subdivision is not large. It's just under 100 homes, 80, 85, I believe. It's a formal HOA, so you do have some rules and regulations, but there is no clubhouse. So the HOA fees aren't too much because there's not a clubhouse, there's not a community center, that sort of thing. So everybody's in charge of their own lawns, their own maintenance, etc. It's got a couple cul-de-sacs and a couple streets through it, but not a lot of homes. And they're all larger, and they all have a certain contemporary modern look. A lot of the homes in here are 3-car garages, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom homes. Most of them have in-ground pools with screen enclosures. A lot of them do also have outdoor kitchens separate from the home. Which are wonderful it's great for entertaining. So like in Florida, everybody uses their outdoor space as an extension of their home. Whether you're having friends over to grill out, have a party, that sort of thing. Outdoor kitchen space is a premium. Most of the homes in here are tile roof. These houses and home sites are on about, for the majority of, an acre, 3/4 an acre and a half. And the prices range around $600,000 for a 2,500 square foot home up to $1 million, $1.5 million for a 3,500, 4,500 square foot of living space home. Utilities in the neighborhood, city utilities, except septic. They do not have city sewer. And this particular community is zoned for Spruce Creek High School. It is Port Orange, so it's south of Dunlawton. So it's in a really great school district, a very popular one. So if you've got kids that are going to go into high school, it's one of the better ones. It has the IB program and the robotics program and things like that. So great school to send your kids to. If you are enjoying this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great. Hit me up if you need anything as far as real estate. I am East Central Florida, Daytona Beach, EXP Realty. Just hit me up, subscribe to my channel. This house, I won't disclose who it is, but they are friends of mine. Beautiful, beautiful home in the cul-de-sac. Been there several years. Great people. Until next time, take care.